sweet was the wine that we drank last night, and so sweet was the moment when you held me tight. But what was sweeter than anything I've known was when you kissed me at the door. Sweet was the music as they played a song, and so sweet was the moment as we danced along. But what was sweeter than anything I've known was when you kissed me at the door. I'll never forget the moment of bliss. So let's go back and reminisce. Let's reminisce the moment with you. Meet me at the door. Sweet was the music of your caress, and so sweet was the makeup that you wore on your face. But what was sweeter than anything I know? Was when you kissed me at the door.